cash flow statement is made up of operating activities, investment activities, and financing activities. This results to us having the actual ending cash balance for the period. The cash flow statement displayed here is a structure or the format of how a cash flow statement looks like. Stick around to get a better understanding of how this works. Now, imagine running a business that shows profits but still runs out of cash. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that is exactly why smart business owners don't just look at profits, but they read the cash flow statement. In the next 10 minutes, I will show you how to read a cash flow statement like a pro, even if you are a complete beginner. Let me tell you a story. Let me tell you about Sarah. Sarah owns a small clothing business. Her sales are booming. Her income statement shows profits. But suddenly, she can't pay her suppliers. She is confused. She asks herself, how can I be making money and still be broke? The answer to this question is she did not understand her cash flow statement. So, what you gain to learn by the end of this video, you will understand where your cash is coming from, where it's going, and how to avoid going broke even when you are profitable. Now, let's break it down step by step on the different section of a cash flow statement. We start with the operating activities. Operating activities is the heartbeat of your business. This is the most important section. This shows cash from your daily business activities like sales from customers, payments to suppliers, payments of salaries. Think of it like your daily survival cash. If this section is positive, it means your business is healthy. If it's negative, it means your business may be in trouble. Let's look at the investment activities. The investment activities is where your money is being used to grow. This part shows money spent on or earned from investment. Examples include buying equipment, selling assets, investing in other businesses. Another example is if Sarah buys new sewing machines, it means cash goes out. So buying a new machine is an investment for the business and we are paying, so cash is going out. Don't panic if this is negative. If this section is negative, don't panic. It usually means growth. Let's look at the third section of the cash flow statement, which is the financial activities. The financial activities means money from investors or loans. This section shows how the business is funded. This include loans taken, loans repaid, owners' investments, and dividend paid or dividend repayments. Example include if Sarah takes a loan, which means cash comes in, and if she repays it, it means cash goes out. So let's look at the simple formula. This will make it stick. So with this formula, you have a better understanding of how it's all put together. There is the easiest way to remember everything. Operating plus investing plus financing equal net cash flow. If the final number is positive, cash increased. It means more cash and cash increased. If the final number is negative, it means cash decreased, less cash. Looking at real life example, let's break it down quickly. Operating activity is $5,000. Investment activity is a negative $2,000. Financing activities is having a positive value of $1,000. So once you put all together, you sum it up, it gives you a total cash of $4,000. That means Sarah actually has more cash now. So common mistakes beginners make. Here is where most beginners get it wrong. They confuse, they focus only on profits. But profit is not equal to cash. Also, you can't make sales today but not receive the money until next month. So you can actually make sales today without receiving money yet. So let's look at the summary, a quick recap. So in just few minutes, here is what you have learned. Operating activities is the daily business cash. Investment activity is the growth spending, while the financing activity is the loan and the funding. So cash flow equals the real truth. Always remember, cash flow tells you the real truth about your business. So, call to action. If this made things simple for you, hit like, subscribe for more easy accounting lessons, and comment below cash flow mastered if you now understand it. Thank you very much for watching from the beginning to the end of this video. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye. Thank you.